Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crownz Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the notification bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. So today's video is a collab. If you want to find out who it's with, make sure you stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey y'all, so today's video is a collab with my YouTube fairy godmother, aka Beauty with Jeunie B. That's what I call her because she is just a sweetheart. She like looks out for me. She gives me feedbacks and encourages me. She's like, Lee, you gotta put yourself out there. But that just goes to show the kind of person she is. We need more people like her on earth, you know, just in general. And I'm so glad and thankful that YouTube brought us together. So I'm happy to collab with her again. I have collabed with her in the past, and I will continue to collab with her as long as I'm on YouTube, because I just love her. I love you, girl. I love you. Don't change. Don't ever change. Stay who you are, okay? So make sure you head over to her channel and tell her Lee sent you. I'm pretty sure most of you are already subscribed to her or following her, but if you're not, head over to her channel and tell her Lee sent you. So today's video, I'm gonna be doing a review on this headband wig right here. Don't worry, I know she looks she looks the way she looks, but it's okay. I think we'll like her. And it was sent to me from about Amazon company. I'll put the name down on the screen because I cannot pronounce that, but I'm gonna go on Amazon to give you the details on the here. But yeah, how is everybody's doing? You know, how's the holiday? How's the shopping going? I hope you're not doing too much shopping, because I have been doing way too much shopping, especially wigs. But the company name is Aliachoos. So it's a hair wrap wigs. It's a 2-in-1 synthetic headband afro. Short, kinky, curly headband. And it has the bangs with the leopard turban. And on Amazon it is $26.99. So for the price, it's very affordable. And I just want to tell the company thank you. Sorry I can't pronounce your name. Alia. It's Aliachoos. I'm sorry if I'm butchering the name, but I just want to tell you thank you for sending me this unit. Even though this unit was sent to me for review, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. But I already have a review of this hair on my channel. I'm gonna put it up. So yeah, let's take this off and put her on. So let me just, it has the drawstring. It has the drawstring. You can draw it all the way. And then this is what it looks like. It doesn't have anything to like, it doesn't have a comb or whatsoever, nothing. So all you're depending on is the drawstring to secure. Or what you can do is pull bobby pins and stuff on it, just if you feel like it's not tight enough. Ooh, y'all, like, do y'all see that? So you just pull it and then tuck it underneath, and then voila. But y'all, let me tell you, okay, let me confess. When I first got this unit, your girl was not fitting it. I was like, I don't know. And I think I wasn't feeling it up up to now, until I put her on. That's what I said. Don't judge something but don't judge the book by its cover, okay? Because you just never know. But I love this, like the bangs, like sis, you cannot tell me this is not cute. For $26, honey, this is lovely. It is nice. It's just very easy. Let me see. Yeah, it's very secure, and I like it. Oh man, let me see if I can like fluff her out. Okay, this is better. But yo, I love it. Like, do you see that? Like, I am here for the bangs. Ooh. I like it for $26. Like, you cannot go wrong. You can get yourself this for Christmas. That can be a Christmas present, okay? Ooh. But yeah. It's also, if you don't want the bangs to be in your face, you can push it back. Oh, do you see my eye look? I know you do. But I like the bangs in my face. I like it. I can't, you know, when I like her hair, I cannot get my fingers out of it. I just keep touching it, you know. But one thing I would say for con, I would say it's a little, I don't know, at the back, I feel like it's not enough hair. Let me turn around. So back here is just empty. It's like, but look at that. I think that's the only thing that I don't like. It feels very empty back there, but oh my gosh, I like it. Do you like it? I like it. And that's, but let me stop. Right now I'm just blab it on. So I'm gonna try some headbands on and we'll go from there.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for.
So guys, what do you think about this unit? I like it. You know, there's not much you can really do with it. Like I'll say about it, it's an easy throw on and go hair. So I have no complaints, well, except for what I mentioned earlier. But yeah, I definitely recommend her. And I want to tell Aliachoos for sending me this unit. I am so sorry, I'm butchering your name. And I just want to tell my Jeunie B, thank you, girl, for collabing with me. I love you. And make sure you go subscribe to her channel. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe. You know, everything, all the jazz. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at LoveYourCrownz. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
It's a bad man.